Welcome back to Drive Domination, the place where raw engineering meets pure adrenaline. And today, Mercedes just rewrote the rules of the compact luxury segment. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLA, and it's not just an update. It's a statement the CLA has always been the gateway into Mercedes luxury. But for 2026, the brand went futuristic, new platform, new tech, new hybrid powertrains, and a design that blurs the line between sports coupe and electric innovation. Right away, the CLA looks like a baby AMG GT four-door. The front fascia is sharper, the LED signature is all new, and the grille takes on Mercedes' next-gen star pattern. But it's the proportions that dominate: longer, wider, more aerodynamic. It's sleek, sculpted, and unapologetically sporty. Inside, Mercedes does what Mercedes does best: luxury with tech that feels alive. The 2026 CLA gets the brand new MBUX Hyperdisplay light, a seamless glass panel that stretches across the dash. The cabin is bathed in customizable ambient lighting, recycled premium materials, and yes, the seats are more supportive than ever. And don't worry, everything runs on the latest MBUX OS, with faster responses, better voice control, and AI-powered personalized settings. This is where the 2026 CLA pulls ahead. You've got multiple powertrain options, from turbocharged mild hybrid setups to the next-generation plug-in hybrid capable of over 100 kilometers of EV-only driving. All paired with a new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that shifts like it's reading your mind. And yes, an AMG version is coming. But today, even the standard CLA feels like a proper driver's car. Mercedes tightened the suspension, recalibrated the steering, and improved chassis rigidity. The result? A compact luxury car that feels planted, confident, and surprisingly agile. This is the kind of car that turns a regular commute into a moment you actually look forward to. This has been Drive Domination.